What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail is not working on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then click on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now here click on show system processes and then go to the search bar and search for phone app. Now open the phone app and go to its storage, and here tap on this clear cache to clear the cache memory of phone app. So just simply tap on this option and cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory of phone app, the voicemail will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while using voicemail, then for the next solution, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your mobile's network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the voicemail will definitely start working. But somehow if it's still not working, then the last solution to fix this issue is check for software updates. So for that, open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here, check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software it will fix the voicemail issue. So that's how you can fix the voicemail not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.